Roughness calculation out of arbitrary FEI nano SEM image. Let's try to create recipe for roughness calculation. As reference, pattern recognition, we will choose unique region. Let's put rotational ROI on an area of detectable roughness pattern. Our measurement defined as line BSE intended to detect LER for left edge. Right edge is out of focus and will give us reduced numbers for LER. Here we have measurement of LER at left and right edge separately. Everything in pixels. We also could observe PSD representation as well as correlation length. But we need good estimation of pixel size to calculate roughness value. So in absence of any metadata information, let's make another measurement. With second measurement, we can find pixel size approximation out of scalar size attached to overlay of image. And last step is to use composition table result definition to add formula to accommodate reference value with roughness and angle of acquisition. We are getting 65.75 nanometers expected roughness. Please take into account that no optimization for acquisition has been done, so results are highly approximated. Thank you for attention.